Quick reading for January the 9th to January the 10th, a Cancer, merong babagal-bagal, no? And it felt like itong pagkabagal nitong person na ito, this person might lose the chance, the opportunity of putting the connection into another level or magkaroon ng clarity. So we have the Seven of Wands, the Hermit, and the Six of Cups. Kasi parang nagiging more of masyadong pinapairal yung logic, no? Masyadong ginagawang complicated lahat. Kailangan may plano, kailangan sa ganitong oras, sa ganitong yung kumbaga perfectionist, no? I think that there are times na sa buhay natin na sabihin nga natin we take the ano no, we take action or we grab the opportunity while the iron is hot. So it felt like dapat meron din mga bagay na it requires a quick action, it requires a quick decision making. Bakit? Kasi parang sa sobrang kabagalan nitong taong to, nandun na eh, pa-oo na eh, okay na sana eh. Sa sobrang tagal na inep, and it felt like sandali, hindi na ako na-excite. Yung ginawa mo sa aking pag-aantay, it's more as nababwisit ako instead na ma-excite ako, no? So this is your quick reading, Cancer, for January the 9th to January the 10th.
Predicting future is my purpose.